As we keep on looking for high risk opportunities, we found another one with a 1% daily and getting your initial back within 25 days. Is it for real? Is it going to be for long while they're trading and using clean energy? So let's have a quick look at the different options. Looking at investors, we can see trading, make profit by investing in a cryptocurrency together with Gold Unicorn. With us, you can invest in cryptocurrency as little as $50. You can choose between 4 investments contracts with different interest rates. Our services include our own experienced traders team, constant monitoring of the market, 24/7 support. Invest and earn together with us. Choose the most convenient contract and receive your first dividend within 24 hours. Now let's have a look. There's 4 different opportunities from 1% daily up to 2% daily. But in my opinion, the 1.5% to 2% is too much risk. And I'm looking at the 1% to 1.3%. Looking at the 1% daily, how does it work? It's working for 25 working days, meaning they're trading Monday to Friday. The minimum amount is going to be $50, the max amount $500 to get a 1% return daily for 25 days, meaning that's 25% profit. No investment or profits on weekends or withdrawals, and you get your initial back after the expiring date. Meaning, if you put in $100, you'll get a total back of $125. Looking at the 1.3% opportunity, working for 45 days, minimum investment amount $500, max amount $3,000. Daily income is going to be 1.3%, giving you a total return of 58.5%. It's only working Monday to Friday, nothing on weekends, no profit, no withdrawals, and you get your initial back after the 45 days. So we got an idea what's about the trading. We're just gonna do a quick video to get everyone started, and we're gonna get started as well. We'll go to the cabinet and we'll look at the opportunity to invest. We're gonna start with $50. We've sent in USDT Tron. We'll put in our $50 investment. As you can see, the $50 minimum. We selected the plan for 1%. Deposit amount, let's make that exactly $50. Profit per cycle, 50 cents. Total return, it's gonna be $12.50. And let's sign the contract. Details of your deposit, 1% per day for 25 days. Validity period is going to be 25 days. So at the end of 25 days, our total profit will be $12.50. Something different, something unique. A high risk opportunity due to the fact that you're giving your money to someone and you're waiting to get paid. The risk factor is 25 days. If you keep on going and do it for 100 days, you'll get your initial capital back. Now, the ideal opportunity might be to start with $200. Starting with $200 at 1% daily will give you $2 a day for 25 days, meaning you have profit for $50, which is the minimum amount to keep on going. Risk $200 for 25 days, get the initial back, and start with the minimum amount and make it a clean opportunity. Well, we're taking this opportunity on. In my opinion, it's a high risk one. So do your own due diligence and make sure you know what you're getting in. It's been running for quite a while, and their CEO is public, showing his face, and he's been on social media for quite a long period. Is the opportunity worth it? Leave me your comments and concerns down below.